Hello and welcome back to my cooking show. Today we'll be making gingerbread men. Let's get started. The ingredients you will need are 350 grams of plain flour, 2 teaspoons ground ginger, 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, 125 grams diced butter, 150 grams soft dark brown sugar, 4 tablespoons golden syrup, 1 medium beaten egg, and for the decoration, icing sugar and sweets. First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit and line 2 large baking trays with baking paper. Now stir the flour, ginger and bicarbonate of soda until they're thoroughly mixed. Rub the butter into the mixture using your fingertips until it starts to form breadcrumbs. Stir in the sugar. Stir in the egg and golden syrup together until it makes a dough. Tip the dough mixture onto a lightly floured surface and knead it until smooth. Roll out the dough until it's at a thickness of 5 millimeters. Carefully, use your cookie cutters to cut out the shapes of the gingerbread men, and use the leftover dough to cut out more biscuits. Place the biscuits onto the baking trays and cook them for 9 to 10 minutes. Let an adult help you take out the biscuits from the oven and let them cool on the trays. Decorate them with sweets and icing. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you've come this far. Thank you for watching. These are my final projects. I hope you enjoy yours. Bye!